the bathroom. Hear that? It's working. I'm gonna go get some of my pollinated coconuts. Give it to that guy. The little slots are the best. That's my garden over there. I just started like 1 year ago, but not that long. Oh no, I actually started this year. Yeah. And that's my garden. I forgot when I... No, did I start 2024 or in 2025? Oh yeah, 2024 when it was like November or something? I don't know. That's not here. What happened? Some eggs for free. I mean, some pets for free.